Data cleaning is one of the most tedious but essential tasks in any analytics workflow. When you ask ChatGPT and Gemini to write a Python script that removes duplicates, fills missing values, and standardizes date formats, the differences become clear. ChatGPT tends to produce more verbose code with extensive error handling and comments, making it beginner-friendly but sometimes cluttered. Gemini, on the other hand, often generates more concise, optimized scripts that run faster but may skip edge cases. In testing on a messy CSV with 10,000 rows, both models correctly identified and handled nulls, but Gemini's script ran 15% faster. ChatGPT's output included a try-except block for file loading that Gemini omitted. For teams that prioritize readability and maintainability, ChatGPT's approach may be better. For production pipelines where speed matters, Gemini's leaner code wins. The takeaway: neither is perfect, but choosing the right tool depends on whether you value robustness or performance.